Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the border barrier here in Thailand yet again. I'll just jump in here. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, Thai PM Embarks on Toughest Mission of All in Deep South. Quoting directly, he also acknowledged the cross-border challenge posed by the region's terrain, which allows suspects to flee into neighboring countries quickly, saying natural exit routes must be sealed off through more patrols and close cooperation among all security agencies. When asked whether Thailand might consider constructing a physical border barrier, the PM said such measures would only be used if national security was seriously threatened. Quote, no one wants to reach that point, but if there is a threat to sovereignty or public safety, the military will take all necessary actions, unquote, he said. That's the PM. And again, this is now down in the Deep South. As I've discussed in other videos, look, there's been a major paradigm shift here with regard to immigration policy, and enforcement. As I've talked about in prior videos, there was a major paradigm shift some years ago from a notion of immigration as an administrative function, something that needed to be dealt with administratively, to a paradigm shift insofar as it became a law enforcement function. Now, in a very real sense, it's viewed through the prism, if you will, of national security. And that really does change the way in which these folks sort of scrutinize issues that pertain to immigration and just look at the overall problem. Now, whether or not we end up with some sort of barrier along the southern border here in Thailand remains to be seen. I think it's kind of unlikely, but I don't think it's completely outside the realm of possibility, especially when you look at it from the standpoint that along the eastern border of Thailand with Cambodia, we're looking at barriers being constructed in real time quite quickly. I could see circumstances arise where they could start saying, hey, maybe something is warranted along the southern border. Again, not a foregone conclusion that we could see that, but it could happen. That stated, we will certainly be keeping people updated on this channel as the situation evolves.